Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we dive into the latest electric vehicle innovations and experiences that are making a difference in our lives. Today, I'm excited to share with you a story that's left me utterly impressed: the Tesla Mobile service experience. Imagine, as a busy mom, having to juggle multiple tasks while trying to squeeze in a chore like tire rotation. That was my reality before discovering the Tesla way of doing things. But now, I can confidently say that this, at-home, service appointment has earned mega points on my Tesla appreciation box. Let me tell you, it all started with scheduling our first tire rotation through the Tesla app. It was smooth and seamless, just like purchasing a new Tesla. And then, on the day of our appointment, I received a text when the technician was on his way. A professional from the Tesla team arrived in his Model 3, ready to get to work. What struck me most about this experience was the level of convenience it offered. As a busy mom, my life is all about juggling multiple tasks at once. And now, with the Tesla Mobile service experience, I can cross one chore off my to-do list, while still getting laundry done, prepping dinner, and tackling my kids' ridiculously long camp packing list. Talk about multitasking. But what really impressed me was the level of professionalism and attention to detail provided by our technician, Eduardo. He not only rotated our tires, but also checked the tire pressure and camera systems. It's clear that at Tesla, they prioritize customer satisfaction and take pride in their work. So, what does this mean for us as electric vehicle owners? Convenience, comfort, and a whole lot of peace of mind. That's the ElectroDrive News verdict on the Tesla Mobile service experience. If you're like me and value your time, I encourage you to give it a try. Trust me, it's worth it. That's ElectroDrive News for today.